the region is really rich in gas, and there is the need to use the natural resource in a prudent way. So one of the major things that we realized was, look, there are countries that are rich in gas, there are others that are not as rich, but then there's the need and there's the possibility to be able to move the gas from country to country in a very economical way. There's a current gas pipeline running all the way from Nigeria, terminating in Ghana today, but then there is a possibility of connecting it to Ivory Coast, which has the demand, and then eventually continuing that pipeline through to Senegal, to Morocco, and then eventually into Europe, where it lands in Spain. And we believe we can push those gas to serve the corridors of all these countries that has been touched. And there will be the ability to be able to develop gas power in a very economical and a good way. So we do hear a lot about decarbonization, reducing carbon footprint, and this has been ongoing. But then the story for Africa, for West Africa, is a bit different from the global story. For instance, in Nigeria, to reduce the carbon footprint, you need to reduce the use of diesel generators. So you use gas instead of diesel. That reduces emission for the country. Though South Africa, not West Africa, but it's very important because it's the largest polluter. Instead of using other complicated means, you can just transition from coal to gas. That reduces about 60% of the emission. So the story for Africa, for West Africa, is a bit different. But then the just transition also needs to consider energy security. So we need as much renewables as we can put on the grid. We don't have much, but then gas and renewables go together. They complement each other. And that was one thing we really kind of underscored and agreed on today, that you need a lot of renewables, but you also need a stable, firm power, that is the gas power, to be able to industrialize the region, create employment, and also build manufacturing base. So in doing that, yes, we will reduce carbon emission, we will strengthen the economy, and then we will make the energy transition smooth and also just for the region as well.